Hi guys, I'm here with Emily and we're going to be showing our squishy collection to you guys. I'm going to go first. Okay, first I'm going to do the squishies that I just got today with Emily. So I got
It looks so creepy.
Why does it look so creepy? Like actually, okay, I got this like foam squishy I really like slow rising. And then I got this, where's the face? I got this. I drew a face on it because it was morning and it had no face. So got this strawberry. Me and Emily just traded for this. I got this. I got this banana. I got this butter. This swirl. Then I got this dream drop. Okay guys, I have this fuzzball. Stitch.
Not a Nito. Just say no. But it feels exactly like one. Alright, quick.
Gumdrop.
Quick.
Bunny Hops. Purple original Nito. Pig. Whatever.
Pug.
And yeah.
Oh, super quick. Mine. Me and Malia just fidget traded for this. Fake dumpling that I popped 2 nights ago. But banana. Butter.
That's a good squishy honey, by the way.
This.
That's
Yeah,
why we're rushing.
This. 4 mini dumplings, 2 green, 2 blue. This with a little squishy thingy in it. Swirl ice cube. This classic ice cube that's so hard.
She has this cloud thing.
This one.
This glitter Nito.
This one. And this from Dollar Tree. Yeah, my homemade one. This one's with leaves. It's not that good.
This has sand in it. It's really good. I really like this one.
Mini Nito ice cube, fake mini Nito ice cube for my gymnastics. And that's all. Can you help me put that? That's all.
Okay. Thank you guys so much. Bye.